This question comes from Maya. What if the moon suddenly disappeared? No explosion, no fragments, just gone. What happens to Earth the very next second, and in the long run? In the first moments, nothing on Earth explodes or shatters, but a quiet, invisible force is missing: the moon's gravity. Tides begin to collapse toward average sea level. Coastal waters stop their rhythmic rise and fall, and the world's oceans fall eerily calm. That calm is deceptive. Entire coastal ecosystems depend on tides. Tide pools dry out, filter feeders lose their food cycles, and nesting patterns shatter. Fisheries and coastal economies wobble within days. Nights become profoundly darker. Without moonlight, nocturnal predators lose their edge, migration cues fail, and human infrastructure must burn more energy to light the dark. The Milky Way looks breathtaking, but it's a beauty with a cost. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. Remove it, and our planet's spin axis becomes more chaotic over geological timescales. Seasons could drift to extremes: snow where rain once fell, deserts where forests stood, reshuffling climate belts and biomes. With weaker tides, some ocean currents adjust, altering heat transport around the globe. Regional climates swing, storm tracks migrate, agriculture strains to keep up as familiar planting calendars break. Animals that hunt, mate, or migrate by moonlight stumble. Turtle hatchlings, birds, insects, millions of tiny decisions suddenly go wrong. Humans lose cultural anchors too: lunar calendars, festivals, and stories that guided nights for millennia. No more eclipses, no more haloed supermoons. The night sky looks cleaner but emptier. Astronomers celebrate darker skies while educators mourn a lost doorway into science. The moon that once sparked curiosity is simply a missing page. Over tens of thousands of years, axial wandering could tip climates into unfamiliar regimes. Ice sheets wax and wane in odd places. Coastlines redraw slowly but relentlessly. Humanity would adapt, but at tremendous cost. We'd engineer new calendars, new navigation cues, even artificial moons in orbit to manage tides and night lighting. The species that named months after lunar cycles would rewrite time itself. So what if the moon vanished? The seas would still, the nights would deepen, nature would stumble, and over ages the climate would wander. We'd survive, but our world, our stories, and our sky would never be the same.